Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we sow our snap peas in a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. All right, in this row here, we're going to plant some peas. We're going to do the short peas, the sugar ants, and these are my 15-gallon pots. And the reason that I chose these pots is I'm going to plant an early crop of peas, and then later I'm going to put my summer squash in these same pots. So when the peas are done, the summer squash goes in. So I need this size of pot for the summer squash. I don't necessarily need this big of a pot for peas, but because we're going to transition, that's the way that I'm going to do it today. So for the peas, what I'm going to do here is we're starting with our family secret seedling recipe. There is a slight amount of compost in this, but not very much. And then we'll use the fruit and flower fertilizer to feed the peas as we go forward, because if there's too much nitrogen in the soil, the peas won't want to grow well. So what I'm going to do is just draw, I think I'll draw 4 lines across here, so they're about 3 inches apart. And we're going to put quite a few pea seeds in here. So we're going to just kind of fill up this row with pea seeds. These are the varieties that don't need trellis. I'm going to tuck those in just a little bit. So they are about 1 inch down, maybe 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to plant these fairly thick. If I get them too thick and they all germinate, we can eat some microgreens, which are wonderful. Peas are really good microgreens. But otherwise, we can just let them grow. And the peas will come up, make a nice crop, and then they'll finish. And then, like I say, we can plant the squash in here next. So it's better for us to put it in a little thick because we can't get the tine back. So I want to go ahead and get that covered. Okay, so there's our peas. And then what I want to do next is mulch, because we need to hold in the moisture. And so we're going to go ahead and mulch this. And the peas can come up right through the mulch, so it's not a problem. I'm not putting on too terribly thick. So we'll allow those peas to come up. And then we can put it on thicker later if we don't want any weeds to come up. There could be some weed seeds that come with the water, or it could blow in on the wind. And so we will have to maintain a little bit, but it's going to be very, very minimal. Now the next thing that I can do with this is I can put my lightweight frost blanket up over the top of this. And then I can water right through this. This will help hold the moisture in, and it also will keep the wind from taking the moisture out of the pot. So it's just one way to help keep the soil wet while the peas are germinating. So we'll put this on for the week, and the peas should be up anywhere between 7 and 14 days. It just depends on the night temperatures. So this will work really good for the peas, and then we'll just wait for them to come up. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.